What's up? I'm TJ, and welcome back to Gen X Garage.
You're messing up the video, man. Hold on, that was great. Hey, don't light my shit on fire. Are you sure that ain't gonna burn the inside?
What?
You sure all those sparks aren't gonna burn the inside?
No, that's fine.
Careful, man. You're gonna mess yourself up, tough guy. Jean-Paul Claudam. I'm gonna call you Jean-Paul Claudam one leg. Cut the, oh, it's coming, baby.
It's almost ready.
Go. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! You're an animal. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's awesome, bro. Look at that. That's awesome. Let's just drive it like that. We'll call it the Wingmobile. When it rains out, we'll just flip the top back on. Dude, that's awesome. When it rains out, we'll just flip the top back over.
Perfect.
Hey, don't mess up the side, man. Use your tools, man.
No, this is okay. I've already cut it.
Yeah, Todd, the roof cutting man. Yeah.